We've actually run our own poll this morning, which basically we asked you at home if you are worried about your hearing at all. Can you just tell me what the results were? 6-0? 60% of you are worried about your hearing.
Isn't that interesting?
Which is interesting.
And we've learnt today from the people that have done our test that actually from 40, just like you have eye tests and stuff, you're supposed to go and get your hearing test. Now, I've never, and I don't know anyone else of our sort of age that's ever had a hearing test.
The University of Nottingham have been studying the effects of hearing loss, and very interestingly, that they actually say it affects both partners. So if you have a partner in life, a relationship, it's not just the person who's deaf. The other partner becomes more socially isolated as well.
So true of my mum.
And finds it really, really hard to deal with.
No, absolutely.
Well, you guys all had your ears tested earlier. That was by Specsavers audiologist Coleen carried out the test. So, Nadia, I've got your results here first. Now, Nadia,
we've got your results.
That is my bad ear. That's what you don't like.
Now, Nadia's left ear was 80% blocked with wax.
Oh, no wonder.
And now, in normal circumstances, Kenny said that they'd recommend that you have the wax removed from your ears before getting your hearing retested. So you're going to go and get that done, aren't you? Then you can have a more comprehensive result. During Nadia and Coleen's hearing tests, a couple of instances were just outside, so there's a little bit of outside noise of the room, which classes as normal hearing. The majority was normal, therefore, both ladies, you have normal hearing.
Oh, so it's just the wax. No, I definitely haven't. I haven't got normal hearing. I'm telling you now, my kids constantly go, Mum, you're deaf. And I don't hear them.
Maybe Mum, can I borrow the car?
Yeah, that's
Mum, can I borrow the car? Maybe